Who I am? I'm a recycled man, like my great food. Second hand, second life. At the beginning, I studied in the art school in Lille, in north of France, and I was born in Marseille. So after 5 years in a woman fashion company, I want to go to big area like the beach. So my mother have a summer house near a beach, and one day I go to this beach. And the sun is shining more than another day, and the driftwood are more white or écru than another day. And I kept 4 of them, and I made with them a frame. It's the beginning of this story. The name Bleu Nature is the blue, like not the sea, but the sky. When the sky is blue, the sun is shining a lot. And nature, like the driftwood. Bleu Nature and eco-design, you're right. Bleu Nature, since 15 years, has developed the art of recycling and a passion for the handcraft art. With this driftwood, we make lighting and furniture with a lot of love.
Hello, I'm Bastien. I was attracted by the history of Bleu Nature and by the natural aspect of this design. The idea of this table was to make an outdoor collection of furniture with stainless steel lacquered and old planks. And the fact is that you can you can assemble this table really easily and dismantle it easily to put it during the winter at home. So it's a really strong table and really easy to make. The idea of this table is the concept of the cantilever. So it looks really light with a really strict design, but at the end it's a really strong family table for be using every day.